Hello, my name is Richard and I am 12 years old. This is my first video for microeconomics principles. Today, I will go over trade, opportunity cost, and the invisible hand principle. To do this, I will use a video game called Minecraft. Minecraft is an open-world creative building game used mostly for entertainment, but there are servers, which are where players gather online as multiplayer to confer with each other, build with each other, fight each other, and even trade with each other. So I am today on one of those trade servers, and I am going to trade with this one person who happens to be standing right in front of me. His name is Mr. Hotel God. I need some armor. Because as everybody knows, you need armor to survive. So I'm going to ask him, do you have any armor for trade? And because of the server, I start out with a bunch of this stuff, and I don't have any armor. And let's see what he says. So I start out with this iron sword. He said, sure, but I need something in return. Okay, well, this is how trade works. If you have something that they want, they need to have something that you want. So I say, what do you need? And he's going to say, bread, please. So I happen to have some bread in my inventory. And so when you trade, both parties must agree to it. So I'm going to say, sure. And so this is basically the basic element of trade. When we trade bread with the armor, and I'm going to throw him one piece of bread, then both of us, we've increased value. I have something that I need because the bread is not that much important to me. Now I'm going to say, what else do you have? So whatever he says here, and I'm actually going to throw him the rest of the bread because he asked for it. So now I have the armor and he has the bread. He has torches. So I would like torches, but I have thrown him all of my bread. So basically what's going on here is that when I took when I took the armor, I gave away the opportunity cost of having the torches. And when the opportunity cost is what you could have had if you didn't get. So when I traded all of my bread away for the armor, the opportunity cost of getting that is not getting the torches. The last principle is the invisible hand. The ability to, when everybody works to their own self-interest, society will prosper. And when I work to my own self-interest to try to get the best bargain, I've gotten 4 pieces of armor for 6 pieces of bread, which is actually really great. And to him, perhaps trading this leather armor, which he doesn't need, for this 6 bread is better for him. Now society has benefited as we are now both more happy. And that is really the end of the video, and I hope you enjoyed it. And he just asked me if I want to go fight mobs, so I better go do that with him. And I guess I should add one thing that the teacher failed to ask or failed to mention. When people trade, usually they have better friendships and things like that. So I'm going to go play with him now. I hope you enjoyed the video, and yeah, goodbye.